What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to M.A.D Detailing. Today's vehicle is a 2017 Ford F-250, and I actually ceramic coated this vehicle over 2 years ago, so this is a ceramic coating maintenance detail. It is something a little different from the nasty destroyed vehicles you guys are used to seeing on the channel, but I figured I would throw together a quick video for you guys so you guys can see exactly what I do on a normal daily basis here at M.A.D Detailing. So if you guys enjoy watching this video, make sure you let me know down below, and I will definitely make more for you guys. Either way, sit back, relax, and enjoy this amazing transformation. So starting off this detail, I'm always going to start with the wheels first, and I know you guys are probably wondering, why are you spraying so much degreaser on this tire? And because this tire shine is probably the absolute worst tire shine I've ever seen in my entire life. The customer said it's called, I think, unbelievable tire shine, and it is absolutely unbelievable. That is right. This thing is absolutely just bonded onto the tire, and I had to scrub this tire like 30-40 times to get this stuff off of there. I know everyone talks about they want a tire shine that lasts a long time, but what happens is once that tire shine is just on there and there's dirt, grime, whatever you name it, it just turns brown. So you don't actually want a tire shine that's going to last forever, because you want to be able to remove it. And this tire shine was the absolute worst tire shine I've ever seen in my entire life, and it was extremely hard to remove. So I would never ever recommend anybody using this tire shine unless you want to spend hours on hours trying to remove it. So yeah, that's why you guys see me scrubbing this tire probably about 5 or 6 times on the video. And that's why I didn't show the rest of the tire, just because they took me probably about 45 to 50 minutes. And the reason why I didn't just leave the tire shine on there is because it looks absolutely terrible in the sun. I tested another tire on the other side. I cleaned it probably about 2 or 3 times, sprayed it off, let it dry, and the tire was brown and disgusting. So that's why I had to spend so much time on these tires. But I thought I would just let you guys know that, so you guys won't sit there and say, why are you using so much degreaser? And also, there's not a degreaser that would remove this tire shine easier. It was almost like a wax formula. You could take your fingernail and it's probably about ½ an inch thick layer of just gunk. I don't know what this tire shine is, but it is absolutely terrible, and I would never recommend this tire shine to anybody. After getting all the wheels and tires clean, it's time to move on to pre-rinsing the paint before moving on to washing it. And as you can see, after 2 years, this truck is extremely hydrophobic. And this is actually our ceramic coating that we've been in tests for the past 3 or 4 years now. And as you guys can see, this product is the real deal, and it lasts a long time. I've used a lot of coatings in the past, and this is probably the most hydrophobic coating I've ever used after 2 years of being on the truck. I'm the only person that maintains this vehicle, and that's another thing. If you guys are looking into getting a ceramic coating, you have to make sure you maintain the vehicle properly, because just like anything, it will break down over time. And if you were to just use Dawn soap or improperly wash or dry your vehicle, your ceramic coating is not going to last. So always make sure you're ready to actually maintain your vehicle properly before moving on to getting a ceramic coating put on your vehicle. And as you guys can see here, my foam cannon decided it really wasn't going to work that well, so I had to order another one. But if you guys are wondering why it's just spraying out really thin, I don't know why. I dropped it and it was just super tight and it just wouldn't move, and that's why I wasn't spraying much foam. Either way, I soaped down the entire truck. Now I'm going around with a wash mitt and a 2-bucket wash method. I'm gonna do this on the entire truck before getting it sprayed off and moving it inside the shop to further this detail. As you guys can see, this customer keeps his vehicles in absolutely brand new condition, so this interior does not need much. So I'm gonna head and remove the floor mats, get everything sprayed out with the air hose to loosen up all the dirt and everything that is stuck in the cracks, give this vehicle a nice vacuum. Then I'm gonna go back and clean all the panels, seats, and everything with our M.A.D detailing leather cleaner. And then I'm gonna use our brand new ceramic interior detailer to dress all the plastics and leather. This product is absolutely amazing and it will be on the website very soon. If you guys would like to pick up any of my detailing products, make sure you guys click the link in the description. It'll take you to our website, and also there'll be a coupon code so you guys can save 20% off at checkout. And the product that I'm using now is our new ceramic detailer. This product has 30% SiO2 in it, which is absolutely insane. And compared to all the competitors on the market, there is nothing out there like this product. It is extremely hydrophobic and lasts a very long time. It will be up on the website for sale within the next month. I'm just doing some final testing on it, but you guys will be absolutely mind blown with this product. I've been using it for quite some time now, and there's nothing out there like it. So I will let you guys know exactly when it is live, but if you guys want, you can go ahead and subscribe to the mailing list on the website, so you guys will get an email when this product is available for sale. And the last step of this detail is to put a real tire shine on this tire and not some just greasy stuff that's going to last forever and turn brown and be impossible to remove. This is actually our M.A.D detailing M.A.D slick tire and trim gel. It is a water-based product, so it's going to last a good while, leave a nice shine, and it's not going to sling all over your truck or car. So yeah, don't ever buy unbelievable tire shine. It was absolutely terrible. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And like I said at the beginning, if you guys want to see more ceramic maintenance washes or just basic details that I do on a normal basis, let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know what is your favorite part of watching these videos, whether it's this video, a paint correction, a ceramic coating, a nasty disaster repo. I just want to hear from you guys, so let me know down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.